Getting close.
God.
Yeah, get in there. You'll be alright. They're not gonna bite you.
They might.
You got an AK mag?
Woo! How was
Wow.
That was awesome.
that? Alright.
That was
You have
scary.
your own AK mag.
Do I have?
Don't be afraid.
Oh, yeah, over here.
I like guns.
Isn't that awesome?
Do you give me the belts over?
Huh?
Alright, I'll grab it.
Get in there.
Oh.
Oh!
He dead.
Ethan, what did you do that panda?
Want another one? It's on video. You want another target?
Yeah.
See the bullets.
Alright, go for it.
And action.
It looks like Mary Beth Olsen.
Ethan,
Olsen,
save that
one of the
guy.
Olsen twins.
Save
Where should I
him.
shoot her, Rob?
Save him.
Him or her?
Huh?
Save
that.
him.
Save the guy. Save him. Save him. It's okay.
Auto. Well done, my friend. Well done.
What do you think?
I like it.
Yay! Good shit.
Doesn't that look like Ben Roethlisberger?
Yeah, it does.
And look, and he only Ben Roethlisberger,
Dude, that does look like
Raplesberger.
You saved his
Ben
career.
I've
Raplesberger.
never thought about that.
Action. Help me, Ethan! Help me!
Nice, huh? Got one more, bud.
Look at that one.
How you feel?
That was awesome.